golden triangles we produce annually circle the globe 17 times. That's enough.
Welcome to the birthplace of America's favorite tortilla chip, where golden corn transforms into the legendary Doritos Nacho Cheese sensation. Every single day, truckloads of premium whole kernel corn arrive at our facility harvested from the heartland's most fertile fields. These golden kernels undergo rigorous quality inspection, ensuring only the finest grains enter our state-of-the-art production lines today. The corn begins its journey in massive steel hoppers, where automated systems precisely measure each batch for consistent flavor. Ancient stone grinding wheels pulverize the kernels into masa flour, releasing that distinctive corn aroma throughout the entire facility. This fresh masa combines with pure filtered water, creating a smooth dough with the perfect texture for ultimate crunchiness. Enormous mixing paddles knead the mixture for exactly 12 minutes, developing those essential gluten bonds that create structural integrity. The dough travels through gleaming steel rollers, pressing it into thin sheets, precisely calibrated to 3 millimeters thick everywhere. Diamond-sharp cutting blades slice perfect triangular shapes, each one destined to carry that explosive nacho cheese flavor we crave. These raw triangles glide along conveyor belts toward the fryers, where their transformation into crispy golden chips truly begins. Bubbling at 350 degrees, pure corn oil embraces each triangle, creating that signature crunch in mere seconds. Watch as pale dough triangles emerge golden brown, their surfaces developing millions of tiny bubbles for maximum flavor absorption. Fresh from the fryer, these crispy chips travel through cooling tunnels while excess oil drains away, leaving pure crunch. Now comes the magic moment when naked chips meet their destiny, entering the legendary nacho cheese seasoning chamber ahead. Inside this rotating drum, a proprietary blend of aged cheddar, Romano, and secret spices creates nacho cheese perfection daily. Real cheese powder, paprika, garlic, onion, and natural flavors combine in precise ratios guarded by our master flavor technicians. The seasoning mixture contains over 20 different ingredients, each one carefully selected to build that addictive nacho cheese experience. Tumbling chips receive an even coating as the drum rotates, ensuring every single triangle gets its perfect flavor distribution. Infrared sensors monitor the precise amount of seasoning applied, guaranteeing that signature orange dusting on every single chip produced. Quality control technicians sample chips every 15 minutes, tasting for that perfect balance of corn, salt, and cheese. Laboratory technicians analyze moisture content, oil levels, and seasoning distribution using advanced spectroscopy equipment throughout each production shift. Only chips meeting our exacting standards proceed to packaging, where automated scales portion them into precise serving sizes. High-speed cameras photograph thousands of chips per minute, rejecting any that don't meet our golden color specifications instantly. The approved chips cascade into metallic hoppers, creating that distinctive rustling sound, synonymous with snack time anticipation everywhere. Nitrogen gas flushes through each bag before sealing, preserving that just-made freshness and preventing chips from becoming stale. Our proprietary packaging film combines multiple layers of specialized plastics, creating an impenetrable barrier against moisture and oxygen. Each bag receives its iconic Doritos branding through high-resolution printing, those bold reds and oranges promising flavor adventure. Automated sealers create airtight closures at both ends, locking in that explosive nacho cheese flavor for months ahead. Every sealed bag passes through metal detectors and X-ray machines, ensuring absolute product safety before leaving our facility. Robotic arms arrange finished bags into cardboard cases, stacking them with millimeter precision for optimal shipping efficiency. These cases travel along conveyor systems to our climate-controlled warehouse, where they await distribution across the entire nation. Forklifts load pallets onto refrigerated trucks, beginning the journey to grocery stores, gas stations, and vending machines everywhere. From raw corn to finished product takes less than 4 hours, ensuring maximum freshness in every single bag produced. Our facility produces over 1 million bags daily, each one carrying that same bold nacho cheese flavor since 1974. The secret seasoning recipe remains locked in a vault known only to 5 people in the entire company worldwide. Every ingredient supplier must meet strict quality standards, undergoing regular audits to maintain their contracts with our production facility. Sustainable farming practices ensure our corn supply remains abundant while protecting precious soil for future generations of farmers. Water used in production gets filtered and recycled multiple times, reducing environmental impact while maintaining consistent dough quality. Solar panels on our roof generate electricity for the facility, powering the machines that create America's favorite tortilla chip. Employee taste testers consume hundreds of chips daily, their trained palates detecting even the slightest variation in flavor. The nacho cheese powder contains real dairy products from Wisconsin farms, where cows graze on organic pastures year-round. Specialized silos store different seasoning components separately, protecting their individual flavors until the perfect blending moment arrives. Computer algorithms calculate optimal frying times based on humidity, temperature, and corn moisture content for consistent results always. Our quality assurance team conducts over 300 tests daily, monitoring every aspect of the production process continuously. The signature triangular shape isn't just aesthetic. It provides the ideal surface area for maximum seasoning adhesion naturally. Each production line operates 24 hours daily with specialized crews maintaining equipment during brief scheduled downtimes only. Steam cleaning systems sanitize all surfaces between batches, ensuring the highest food safety standards in the industry. The corn oil gets filtered continuously during frying, removing particles that could affect the final product's taste profile. Temperature sensors throughout the facility maintain optimal conditions, preventing moisture buildup that could compromise chip crispness anywhere. Our master blenders adjust seasoning ratios seasonally, accounting for subtle variations in cheese, aging, and spice potency levels. The masa dough rests in temperature-controlled chambers, allowing starches to fully hydrate before the sheeting process begins. Laser-guided cutting systems ensure each chip measures exactly 2 inches per side, the scientifically perfect snacking size determined. The frying oil reaches temperatures hot enough to instantly vaporize surface moisture, creating that satisfying crunch we love. Cooling conveyors stretch over 100 feet long, gradually bringing chips to room temperature without thermal shock damage. The seasoning drums rotate at precisely 18 revolutions per minute, the optimal speed for even coating distribution verified. Each bag's weight gets checked 3 times before shipping, ensuring consumers receive exactly what the package promises always. Specialized adhesives seal our bags stronger than household glues, yet they open easily when consumers pull them apart. The production floor maintains positive air pressure, preventing contaminants from entering through doorways or ventilation systems ever. Our employees undergo extensive training programs, learning the science behind every step in the chip-making process thoroughly. Random samples from each batch undergo laboratory analysis testing for nutritional content and potential allergen contamination carefully. The cheese aging process takes several months, developing complex flavors that distinguish Doritos from ordinary tortilla chips. Optical sensors scan passing chips for color consistency, rejecting any that appear too dark or too light automatically. The corn arrives pre-cleaned but undergoes additional washing, removing any field debris before the grinding process starts. Our seasoning technicians wear special suits preventing contamination while they blend the secret nacho cheese formula daily. Vibrating screens separate different-sized seasoning particles, ensuring only the finest powder coats our chips evenly throughout. The packaging machinery operates at speeds exceeding 200 bags per minute, yet maintains perfect seal integrity. Each production run generates detailed data logs, tracking thousands of variables for continuous process improvement opportunities identified. The factory's air filtration system completely exchanges indoor air every hour, maintaining optimal freshness throughout the facility. Specialized lubricants rated for food contact keep machinery running smoothly without risk of chemical contamination ever occurring. Our suppliers deliver ingredients multiple times daily, ensuring maximum freshness while minimizing storage space requirements significantly. The triangular cutting pattern minimizes dough waste, with leftover pieces recycled back into the next batch immediately. Infrared heaters pre-warm the masa sheets before cutting, preventing cracking and ensuring clean edges on every chip. The seasoning blend includes natural flavor enhancers like yeast extract, amplifying the cheese taste without artificial additives. Each bag's printed expiration date reflects extensive shelf life testing, guaranteeing peak flavor until that specific date arrives. The production line's modular design allows quick changeovers between different Doritos flavors without cross-contamination risks present. Our maintenance team performs preventive repairs during scheduled downtimes, avoiding unexpected breakdowns that could compromise quality standards. The cheese powder undergoes microscopic analysis, ensuring particle size remains consistent for optimal adhesion and flavor release. Automated palletizers stack cases in specific patterns, maximizing truck space while preventing crushing during transport anywhere. The factory's location near major highways enables efficient distribution to retailers across multiple states within hours. Each employee passes through air showers before entering production areas, removing potential contaminants from clothing and hair. The masa mixing process incorporates precise amounts of lime water, enhancing corn flavor while improving nutritional value. Our quality standards exceed government requirements, with voluntary third-party audits confirming our commitment to excellence always. The frying oil temperature varies slightly across the fryer's width, ensuring even cooking despite natural convection currents. Specialized pumps circulate oil through filters, continuously removing burnt particles that could create off flavors in chips. The seasoning application occurs while chips remain slightly warm, helping the powder adhere more effectively than cold. Each bag design undergoes consumer testing, ensuring the graphics communicate flavor, intensity, and create purchase desire immediately. The production schedule coordinates with corn harvest seasons, securing the best quality grain at optimal prices annually. Our environmental monitoring systems track energy usage, water consumption, and waste generation for sustainability reporting purposes. The cheese sourcing team visits dairy farms regularly, verifying animal welfare standards and milk quality practices maintained. Random bags get pulled for accelerated aging tests, predicting how chips will taste months into their shelf life. The factory employs local residents, primarily contributing millions to the regional economy through wages and supplier contracts. Each seasoning drum gets calibrated weekly, ensuring the rotation, speed, and angle remain perfectly consistent, always maintained. The corn oil supplier provides certificates of analysis confirming the absence of trans fats and other unwanted compounds. Our research team continuously experiments with new seasoning combinations, though none have surpassed the original nacho cheese. The packaging film includes microscopic perforations, allowing gases to escape while preventing moisture from entering the bag. Each production worker rotates through different stations, preventing repetitive strain injuries while maintaining engagement and alertness levels. The factory's backup generators ensure continuous operation during power outages, protecting product batches from spoilage completely. Specialized consultants audit our allergen control programs, verifying that dairy-free production lines remain uncontaminated, always protected. The final quality check involves comparing finished chips against color charts, ensuring that signature orange hue remains. Our distribution partners maintain specific temperature ranges during transport, preserving chip quality from factory to store. The seasoning powder flows through anti-static tubes, preventing clumping that could create uneven flavor distribution anywhere. Each fryer contains thousands of gallons of oil maintained at precise temperatures through sophisticated heating control systems. The cutting blades receive daily sharpening, ensuring clean cuts that prevent oil absorption during the frying process. Our procurement team sources corn from multiple regions, ensuring supply continuity despite regional weather challenges occurring. The factory's wastewater treatment facility processes all discharge exceeding environmental standards before release into municipal systems. Each bag's barcode contains production information, enabling rapid recalls if quality issues ever get detected post-distribution. The seasoning blend remains consistent through proprietary mixing protocols developed through decades of flavor science research. Our packaging speeds require split-second timing, with sensors confirming proper fills before sealing operations commence automatically. The corn grinding process generates significant heat, requiring cooling systems to prevent premature starch gelatinization occurring. Each shipment includes quality documentation, providing retailers confidence in the product's safety and consistency standards met. The factory operates multiple production lines simultaneously, each dedicated to specific bag sizes for different market segments. Our employee cafeteria serves unlimited Doritos, encouraging staff to remain familiar with current product quality standards. The seasoning application chamber maintains negative pressure, preventing powder from escaping into the general production area. Each corn delivery undergoes mycotoxin testing, ensuring the absence of harmful mold compounds before processing begins anywhere. The factory's layout minimizes product travel distance, reducing handling time while maintaining optimal freshness throughout production. Our sustainability initiatives include selling used frying oil for biodiesel production, creating renewable energy from waste. The quality laboratory maintains reference samples from each batch, enabling investigation if consumer complaints arise later. Each seasoning ingredient arrives with certificates of authenticity, preventing substitution with inferior alternatives during supply shortages. The production planning team coordinates with marketing campaigns, ensuring adequate supply during promotional periods and special events. Our chip thickness tolerances measure in fractions of millimeters, requiring precision engineering throughout the entire manufacturing process. The factory's location provides access to pristine aquifer water, naturally filtered through limestone for superior dough quality. Each frying basket holds precisely measured chip quantities, preventing overcrowding that could cause uneven cooking or sticking. The seasoning powder storage maintains humidity below 30%, preventing caking that would affect application consistency significantly. Our packaging machines seal over 10,000 bags hourly, each one receiving the same precise heat and pressure. The corn masa pH gets monitored continuously, ensuring optimal conditions for flavor development and texture formation throughout. Each production supervisor oversees specific quality checkpoints, empowered to halt operations if standards aren't met immediately. The factory's compressed air system powers pneumatic equipment while remaining completely oil-free for food safety compliance. Our ingredient suppliers undergo annual audits, verifying their facilities meet the same stringent standards we maintain here. The seasoning blend incorporates natural anti-caking agents, ensuring smooth flow through application equipment without chemical additives. Each chip emerges from oil at exactly the right moment, achieving perfect golden color without excessive browning anywhere. The production floor's epoxy coating resists chemicals and impacts while providing slip-resistant surfaces for worker safety. Our training simulators allow new employees to practice operations without risking product loss or equipment damage initially. The factory produces enough chips annually to circle Earth's equator 17 times if laid edge to edge. Each bag's nitrogen flush extends shelf life naturally, eliminating the need for chemical preservatives in our products. The quality team tastes chips from different positions within each bag, ensuring even seasoning distribution throughout packaging. Our automated systems detect and remove doubled chips, preventing thick pieces that wouldn't cook properly during frying. The corn oil filtration system removes particles smaller than human hair, maintaining pristine frying conditions continuously throughout. Each seasoning batch undergoes microbiological testing, confirming the absence of harmful bacteria before production use begins. The factory's ventilation system creates distinct air pressure zones, preventing cross-contamination between different production areas effectively. Our suppliers receive detailed specifications for each ingredient, including acceptable ranges for moisture, color, and particle size. The chip conveyor belts use food-grade materials that withstand high temperatures without releasing any harmful compounds ever. Each production run begins with equipment verification, confirming all systems operate within specified parameters before starting. The seasoning drums feature specialized baffles inside, creating tumbling action that ensures complete and even coating coverage. Our waste reduction program diverts over 90% of production byproducts from landfills through recycling and composting. The factory maintains redundant quality systems with multiple checkpoints catching any issues before products leave our facility. Each fryer oil batch gets tested for oxidation levels, replacing it before any rancid flavors could develop. The packaging film artwork undergoes color calibration weekly, ensuring brand consistency across millions of bags produced annually. Our employee wellness programs include ergonomic assessments, reducing workplace injuries while maintaining high productivity levels consistently. The corn grinding stones get resurfaced periodically, maintaining optimal texture for proper masa development and chip structure. Each sealed case receives tamper-evident tape, providing supply chain security from our facility to retail locations. The factory's pest control program uses integrated management techniques, minimizing chemical use while preventing any infestations effectively. Our production database tracks every variable imaginable, enabling predictive maintenance and continuous process optimization opportunities identified daily. The seasoning powder travels through dedicated stainless steel pipes, preventing contamination while maintaining flavor integrity completely throughout. Each bag's seal strength gets tested hourly, pulling samples to verify they withstand normal handling without opening. The factory operates under strict good manufacturing practices, with documented procedures for every single process step involved. Our corn suppliers practice crop rotation, maintaining soil health while ensuring consistent grain quality year after year. The chip cooling process uses filtered air only, preventing any environmental contaminants from affecting the finished product. Each employee receives food safety certification annually, understanding their critical role in maintaining product quality standards always. The seasoning blend formula adjusts for seasonal humidity changes, ensuring consistent flavor regardless of production date. Our packaging equipment features quick change capabilities, switching between different bag sizes in under 15 minutes efficiently. The factory's energy management system optimizes equipment operation, reducing carbon footprint while maintaining production targets successfully. Each corn kernel contains approximately 70% starch, transforming into that distinctive crunch through precise processing. The Quality Assurance Laboratory maintains ISO certification, demonstrating our commitment to internationally recognized testing standards continuously. Our fryer oil regeneration process extends usage life significantly, reducing waste while maintaining consistent frying performance. The masa dough temperature stays precisely controlled, preventing premature gelatinization that would affect final chip texture. Each production area features emergency shutdown switches, allowing any employee to halt operations if safety concerns arise. The factory sponsors local corn research programs, developing varieties optimized for chip production while supporting regional agriculture. Our seasoning technicians undergo sensory training, learning to detect subtle flavor variations that instruments might miss entirely. The chip inspection systems capture thousands of images per second using artificial intelligence to identify defects instantly. Each bag receives date and lot coding, enabling complete traceability from store shelf back to specific production runs. The factory's water treatment system removes chlorine and minerals, ensuring consistent dough properties across all batches. Our equipment manufacturers provide ongoing support, ensuring machinery operates at peak efficiency throughout its operational lifetime completely. The seasoning powder particle size ranges from 10 to 50 microns, optimized for maximum flavor release when consumed. Each production shift begins with calibration checks, verifying all measurement systems provide accurate readings before operations commence. The factory maintains strategic ingredient reserves, ensuring production continues despite temporary supply chain disruptions occurring anywhere globally. Our consumer hotline connects directly to quality teams investigating any reported issues within 24 hours maximum always. The chip thickness variation stays within 0.1 millimeters, requiring precise dough sheeting and cutting equipment throughout production. Each fryer section maintains independent temperature control, accommodating natural heat loss while ensuring uniform cooking results achieved. The packaging area maintains slightly positive pressure, preventing airborne contaminants from entering through doorways or openings anywhere. Our supplier partnerships span decades, building mutual trust and ensuring consistent ingredient quality through long-term relationships established. The corn oil oxidation gets monitored using specialized sensors detecting chemical changes before human taste could perceive them. Each seasoning application drum rotates on precision bearings, maintaining smooth operation despite continuous 24-hour usage daily. The factory's stormwater management system prevents any production materials from entering local waterways during rainfall events occurring. Our production scheduling software optimizes batch sequences, minimizing flavor changeovers while maximizing equipment utilization rates achieved consistently. The masa grinding generates distinctive stone ground texture impossible to replicate using modern steel roller mills available today. Each quality control station includes detailed work instructions, ensuring consistent evaluation standards across all shifts and inspectors. The factory maintains comprehensive insurance coverage, protecting against product recalls while ensuring consumer confidence remains strong always. Our packaging suppliers deliver materials just in time, reducing warehouse requirements while ensuring fresh packaging for every batch. The seasoning blend includes natural citric acid brightening flavors while serving as a natural preservative agent simultaneously. Each chip's surface develops microscopic oil pockets during frying, creating reservoirs that hold seasoning powder perfectly distributed. The production line's modular design enables capacity expansion, accommodating growing demand without complete facility reconstruction required ever. Our employee suggestion program generates continuous improvements, rewarding innovative ideas that enhance quality or efficiency, measurably demonstrated clearly. The corn receiving area features covered unloading bays, protecting grain from weather while maintaining quality during delivery. Each batch documentation package includes over 100 quality parameters, providing complete production history for regulatory compliance purposes. The factory's neighborhood relations program includes facility tours, helping community members understand our operations and employment opportunities. Our seasoning suppliers maintain dedicated production lines, preventing cross-contamination with other food products they manufacture simultaneously elsewhere. The chip frying process removes nearly all moisture, reducing water activity below levels, supporting microbiological growth completely. Each packaging machine operator receives specialized training, learning to identify subtle issues before they affect product quality. The factory maintains emergency response teams trained to handle any incident from minor spills to major equipment failures. Our product development team regularly visits this facility, ensuring new flavors remain compatible with existing production capabilities. The corn masa mixing time varies slightly, with seasonal temperature changes ensuring consistent dough properties year-round achieved perfectly. Each sealed bag undergoes leak detection, passing through pressure differential chambers that identify even microscopic seal failures. The factory's location provides year-round rail access, enabling efficient ingredient delivery regardless of weather conditions affecting transportation. Our quality metrics get reviewed monthly by senior management, ensuring continuous attention to product excellence at corporate levels. The seasoning powder includes silicon dioxide at microscopic levels, preventing clumping without affecting flavor or texture whatsoever. Each production employee completes annual refresher training, staying current with evolving food safety regulations and best practices. The chip conveyor systems feature automatic tensioning, maintaining proper belt alignment despite continuous operation and thermal expansion. Our local sourcing initiatives prioritize regional suppliers, when possible reducing transportation emissions while supporting nearby businesses simultaneously. The factory maintains detailed allergen maps showing exactly where dairy-containing ingredients get stored and processed throughout facilities. Each fryer includes automatic oil level sensors, adding fresh oil as needed to maintain consistent frying depth always. The packaging film supplier provides barrier property data confirming oxygen and moisture transmission rates meet specifications exactly required. Our preventive maintenance program schedules equipment service based on actual runtime hours, not just calendar intervals alone. The corn cleaning process removes foreign materials using magnets, screens, and air separation before grinding begins anywhere. Each seasoning ingredient requires approved vendor status involving extensive qualification processes before entering our supply chain network. The factory's lighting uses LED technology throughout, providing excellent visibility while reducing energy consumption and heat generation. Our production employees earn competitive wages with comprehensive benefits reflecting their critical role in creating America's favorite chips. The chip oil temperature recovery time after adding cold dough measures under 10 seconds, maintaining consistent frying conditions. Each bag design undergoes drop testing, ensuring graphics remain appealing despite normal handling during distribution and retail display. The factory participates in industry sustainability initiatives, sharing best practices with other food manufacturers for collective improvement. Our quality philosophy emphasizes prevention over detection, building quality into every process rather than inspecting it in afterward. The seasoning application rate adjusts automatically based on chip flow rate, maintaining consistent flavor intensity always achieved perfectly. Each production area features real-time display boards showing quality metrics and production rates for employee awareness maintained. The factory's fire suppression system includes specialized nozzles for oil fires, protecting equipment and personnel from potential hazards. Our ingredient traceability extends to farm level, knowing exactly where each component originated for complete supply chain transparency. The corn masa pH adjustment uses food-grade lime precisely measured, enhancing nutritional value while improving chip texture significantly. Each shift transition includes detailed handoff meetings, ensuring continuity of operations and quality standards between production teams. The packaging area maintains temperature control year-round, preventing condensation that could compromise seal integrity or product quality. Our consumer research informs production decisions, ensuring we manufacture the exact products customers want to purchase regularly. The factory's continuous improvement culture encourages every employee to identify opportunities for enhancement in their work areas. Each chip represents decades of refinement, perfecting the balance of corn flavor, crunch, and that iconic nacho cheese. The production line never truly stops, with maintenance performed on rotating sections while others continue operating seamlessly always. Our commitment to quality extends beyond the factory, with field representatives ensuring proper product rotation at retail. The seasoning blend's complexity creates flavor layers with initial cheese impact followed by subtle spice notes emerging gradually. Each bag leaving our facility carries more than chips. It delivers moments of satisfaction to millions of consumers daily. The factory's success depends on thousands of precise details executed flawlessly by dedicated employees who take pride in their work. Our nacho cheese recipe remains largely unchanged since introduction, proving that true flavor perfection needs no improvement ever. The journey from kernel to chip involves art and science, equally blending traditional techniques with modern technology seamlessly throughout. Each Dorito represents American snack innovation, transforming simple corn into an internationally recognized symbol of bold flavor adventure. The factory operates as a precisely choreographed symphony, with every machine and person contributing to snacking perfection achieved daily. From this single facility, millions experience that unmistakable nacho cheese crunch, making every day a little more flavorful worldwide.